Welcome back to Take the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add user profile on Chrome. So first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome browser right here. Once you open it up, you're going to see these three dots right here. Click on that and click on settings. Once you click on settings, you're going to see your account right here, and make sure this is the Gmail account you want to use as your profile. So next thing you have to do is you have to click on manage account on this device, and you're going to see this right here. See your profile picture, click on that, and you're going to see different browse illusions, or maybe you want to take a photo or you want to upload from your device. So you can pick from that and just upload the picture from. So let me just use this for example, and it's going to get uploaded. So let's wait. Okay, sorry, I'll just use another profile real quick. Okay, just use this. Click on done and it's going to actually process. I'll click on next, set as profile picture, and you can see my. So you have to actually sign out and sign in from your Chrome for you to actually see your user profile right there. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.